everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is an unboxing video slash happy mail, and I got a few stuff, some that I ordered, some that I got from Tombow that I wanted to share with you guys. And I'm gonna start with this package from Walmart. And now Walmart, it's selling Damask Love products. So I got, this is a kit, they both come together, and I thought that it was going to include a smaller sticker pack, but I'm kind of happy because this, I think the whole thing was like $13 or $14, and usually you can get these for $20, and I am a huge Damask Love fan. So I do love that a bunch of these are like glittery and clear. If you have issues writing on this kind of surface, I'm going to recommend, oh, I love these. And no numbers, son of a number. I'm going to recommend the Tombow Twin Tone, which is a permanent marker, and I use it a lot for washi tape. Here it is. And this is what I use also for that sort of plastic surface. And it also comes with this paper pack that also has die cuts. It's a project pad, they call this sort of project, and I do love Damask Love. So ooh, that's really cute. Too rad to be sad. Again, no numbers. I love these for journaling. Love the papers. Okay, and in the back we have an envelope template, which always comes with the 6x8 packs. Some solids. Some little projects. This looks like a card thing, and I love the die cuts. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh, I love this jacket thing. My daughter's birthday was last week. It would have been cool to do something with this. Love this. Bunch of card things. Oh, I love this paper. It's really cute. So now you know that if you see it at Walmart.com or at the stores. I honestly haven't been to the stores in a while. I think since the holidays. So now you know what this pack is all about. And I'm going to have some links below so you can find it if you want to buy it. And I'm going to open, this is the May Studio Calico kit. And I love the new pouches. I'm going to try to go really quickly over this because I know that there's other people that post it, including their design team members. Let me go a little closer. Okay. And then we have these flower die cuts, which are so pretty. And there's 2 of each, and they're pretty thick because I remember that the last die cuts from the ups and downs kit, the die cuts were a little bit thinner, so I'm happy to see that they made these a little bit sturdier. These are the flowers and the word that says May. And I love these. I think this is one of the things that makes me most excited. And I think they have like a protective film. And it has a bunch of quotes. I'm totally gonna use this. And during the month, I'm going to try to post some videos using them. That way you guys can get inspiration. If you get the kit, this is the little stamp that comes in the kit. Not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I love it, but I wouldn't buy it if it was like a standalone thing. But it's really cute. Numbers, and what is this? This feels kind of thick. Is it more than one? Oh, so it's 4 and it's 4. I actually really love that they include a lot. And I'm not going to repeat my complaint about every single sticker sheet. I'm not going to say it. You guys know it. You know what I'm going to say, right? And then these chipboard stickers, which are super cute. Love the colors and the patterns. Grow. Nothing in this house grows. Maybe my children, but even then, I'm like 4'11". They're not going to grow that much. Sorry. And these labels, these I really like. They're stickers. Yes, they're not diamonds. They're stickers. So I love that. One thing that I'm really excited about that I saw from the sneaks, I tried not to look at the sneaks and the inspiration too much before I get it. Although I'm really awful with scrap lifting. I am the worst at it. Love these. And as always, they're really thick. And it has a little bit of a spring and gardening floral thing, but it's also good enough that I can use it for other things. And I do have pictures from plants that died, you know, to remember their soul before they went to hell, because I killed them. And I love this so much. Oh. And I do love the, especially this one for my book mini. And I'm gonna start adding those videos to YouTube. A few of them are short because I made them for Instagram, but I figured I would share them here too. Of course, let me put this here so you can see them. I know that a lot of people don't like shorts, but it's just, you know, for those of you who don't have Instagram. But from now on, instead of uploading them directly on Instagram, I'm gonna do them in the YouTube format, and then I'll do like a really quick version of for Instagram. Oh, this one's so cute. If I could grow any plants, but that's not Studio Calico's fault. It's my fault. I've tried. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, but I'm still gonna use this one because, you know, plants. I love this one. Stories about. Super cute. I love stripes and colors. This is real life right now. Okay, so my favorite thing definitely was the cards. I really, really like them. But a close second are these die cuts. So let's go on with the Tombow haul. Okay, so I received 2 different packages from Tombow, and I got a lot of adhesive. I did ask for some refills, and this is my currently favorite adhesive, the Mono Air Touch adhesive runner. And of course, I love this one. And this is extreme adhesive, which I use for every difficult item to glue. And the extreme putty, which I use to put things up on the wall. It's like a clay. And oh, I wish I had a little bit around. But it's basically a clay, and you put it in, you know, frames, posters, stuff like that. So it's perfect to use around my craft room. And then I got this second one, which is the foam tape, which I use all the time too, especially for cards. It's my favorite. And the Mono Multi Liquid Glue. And I also got some new twin tone dual tip markers. And this is my favorite pack, the rainbow. But I do have a favorite. Like this one is my favorite from the brights, and from this ones I like the purples and the pinks. So love these. And also always either follow Tombow on Instagram or get their emails because they always have some sale going on. So if you need adhesive or anything, or you can always use my code, which is Jenny15, and that is 15% off your order. And the last thing I got is this book from Amanda Camarada, and it's a creative lettering journal, and it has inspirational quotes, but it also has a bunch of tutorials, and it's a guide, but it's also like a how-to book. Oh, this is so cute. I love how soft the pages are too. And for this, I would recommend either using the twin tones or also the Tombow Fudenosuke. I haven't had a chance to look at this book that much. It talks about styles and words you need to know about lettering, which pens should you use. And she does beautiful lettering too, and she has a store. She sells stickers and stuff like that. So if you enjoy her lettering, you might love her shop. And I'm going to link her shop too. Pretty sure you can get this book from Amazon. And this is how you connect basic strokes, which is the first thing everyone should learn before actually starting to write words and things like that. Folk calligraphy. I'm sorry if you can hear noise in the background. They're planting trees around my neighborhood. The monoline lettering style, and I love this one. And then you have some practice. And what you can do if you don't want to either write directly on your book or you don't want to run out of space, you can use tracing paper and put it on top. There's also marker paper. I think it's the one from Canston. It's really thin, so you can see through the paper and practice and put it on top of this. So I would recommend that way you have a bunch of chances to practice and some common words. Like trace this to practice, and now you try it by yourself. And this is also like sort of therapeutic book that you can use to practice and also to, you know, have a little mindfulness, sitting down, practice. And it has some journaling prompts too. Or you can take a picture of this if you have an iPad and use Procreate. I am so obsessed with Procreate lately. I love this font. You're the best thing. I think this is my favorite part, the fonts. I love fonts. I have a whole Pinterest board for them. And I love how she adds some little tips and things to add, mixing styles, oops, the Y. I love this one. This would be so cute as wall art. Oh, so cute. Oh. So I'm going to have the link for this book. Loved it. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned for a video using a bunch of these. And of course, I'm always going to use a Tombow adhesive. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite thing. And have an awesome day. Bye.